Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 250G8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your HP 250G8 won't turn on, you're likely experiencing a frustrating issue that can stem from several causes, such as a faulty battery, a malfunctioning power adapter, or internal hardware problems. If this issue isn't addressed promptly, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and expensive. To tackle this repair, you'll need a few tools. Gather a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if necessary. First, to safely open the HP 250G8, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Lay it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws safe as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. Now that the back panel is off, we need to locate the battery. The battery is usually situated in the top portion of the device. Disconnect the battery connector carefully by pulling it straight out, avoiding any rocking motion that could damage the socket. If it's secure, you may need to apply a bit of force, but be gentle. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. These screws can be quite tight, so apply steady pressure when loosening them. Once all screws are removed, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. If your device still doesn't power on, you might want to check the power adapter and the connections to the motherboard. Look for any loose cables or signs of damage. If you notice anything unusual, it might be best to replace those components as well. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the battery or any faulty component, reassemble your device carefully. Align the back panel and gently press it into place until it clicks securely. Finally, replace all screws to ensure everything is tightly secured. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you're using the correct power adapter and regularly check for software updates that could affect power management. Also, avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures, as this can impact battery performance and longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.